Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.4% in the last two sessions. The CCI shifted into the negative zone. Nike stock has gained 2.8% in the last two sessions. Stochastic is receding and is now giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The ADX has moved sharply into the positive area. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator transitioned into the positive zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Facebook is rolling out a new publishing platform in the coming months in the U.S. that lets independent writers and journalists reach new audiences and monetize their work through email newsletters and individual websites. The CBOE Volatility Index, known as Wall Street's Fear Gauge, slipped to a fresh COVID-19 pandemic low as U.S. stocks soared to new heights ahead of this week's two-day Federal Reserve policy meeting. UK tech startups raised a record $15 billion from venture capitalists in 2020, further widening the gap to Germany and France.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The U.S. FOMC press conference will be released at 1830 GMT. The U.S. Fed interest rate decision at 1800 GMT. The U.S. Fed's monetary policy statement at 1800 GMT. The Eurozone's construction output will be released at 1000 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Germany's 30-year bond auction at 1040 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.